Hello guys, so one of the food I've been looking forward to try here in South Korea is the spicy beef soup, which in Korean is called Yukgaejang. It is very popular here in South Korea among foreigners as well as locals in here. It is made with shredded beef, bean sprout, mushrooms, and some other vegetables. There is also green onion in there. It is amazing. So today I have come all the way to Sinchon to try out this amazing food. It's my first time and I cannot wait to show you what I think of this. I just made my order, so I'm still waiting for my food. So I will see you when my food is here. So let's see what I have in here. It is very colorful. I believe it's going to be spicy. The aroma in here is great. I love the aroma in here. It's awesome. And the ingredients in here. So one thing I've learned is that I believe the ingredients vary from chef to chef depending on who is cooking. I have spring onion in here. I have something that looks kind of like a cabbage. I'm not very sure of that. I also have egg in here. I have beef in here, and there is a small portion of bean sprout also in here. And the aroma in here is amazing. I think there is also mushroom in here. And then on the side I have a side dish. I have kimchi here. I have lettuce kimchi, and then it comes with a bowl of rice. So I'll give this a try. I love it. Wow. So it's very flavorful, very tasty. And all the vegetables in here are well cooked, yet you can feel how crunchy it is. Okay, so I'll go ahead with the rice. Amazing, amazing, man. It's amazing, man. So the beef is quite too thin. It's kind of like scrambled beef. So it is too small to feel the bite. But then I can still feel the beef flavor in here. It's amazing. It's amazing. And then the vegetables is quite crunchy. Wow. So it is spicy, but not too spicy. So whether you like spicy food or not, I believe you will enjoy this soup very much. It's awesome, man. It's amazing, man. subscribe to the channel for more video like this. I'll see you very soon.